Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on how to build a simple Java application based on Java 9. So let's continue. As you remember, in the previous video we created two models, the GUI models and the parser API models. And today I want to create some component for my GUI model. So let's start. I'm just gonna create a new package and I will name home ipdev GUI API, and in this package I'm intending to create some sort of API. First of all, an interface that I will name UI action, and in this interface I'm going to declare a single method, void do action, that actually will take a single parameter. It will be the object, well, let's say value. Okay, and now also in the same package I will create I don't know what is this. Also in the same package I will create a class for button, UI button, class UI button, I'll say UI button, yeah. And this UI button will extend first of all the button from Java Flex, yes, and we'll implement our interface UI action. So let's declare the methods. Okay, and on the constructor I want to attach an action listener to this button. Okay, set on action. Okay, event. So do action. I will just gonna call this method in my action event. So you can see here I can pass some value, but at the moment I don't want to pass anything, so I'm just gonna pass no for this button. Okay. Also I want to create another one component for slider. So we class we slider, and this we slider also will extend slider from JavaFX, and also will implement our interface. We okay. Okay, I will implement and init. Also I want to do some settings for this slider and the constructor. So first I'm gonna set the value of this, let's say 128. This is the initial value. Set mean value, it's 0. set max value. Also, well, let's say 5048. I don't know. We will change later if this will be the case. Set tick. Set major tick units. Let's say it's 1024, and set minor tick unit or tick count. Tick counts. Okay, let's see. One. No, this will be the 5, I guess. Okay. Property. Add listener. Yeah. A new change listener. And let's say number. Yes. And now I'm just gonna pass the number 2 in my method, because the number 2, this one, is the new value after the change occurred. So I'm just gonna call do action and my number. It will be erg2. Yeah, that's all. Okay, done. Okay, next thing that I want to do is to add a combo box, but I want this combo box to has a generic my xparser interface. So let's do this. I'm just gonna create a new class, and I will call it UI combo, and this combo will extend combo box from JavaFX. Combo. Okay, and here I want to put xparser interface. Also, this class will implement our Y action. And that's it. Okay, xparser. Yeah, at the moment we can't find our xparser, but we will fix this in a moment. So in order to fix this, I have to go to my module info and declare that I want this module to be imported here. I'm just gonna require this module, explicit parser API. Okay, I'm requiring this, and I want to use the interface properly in my GUI. So for this I'm gonna use the keyword uses, and I will provide the full package path to my interface. So this will be com.ipdev parser dot API dot. See, at the moment he can see, but we will fix this. Okay, at the moment he said he can't resolve the model. So this is because our GUI is missing our parser model and his model path. For fixing this, I'm just gonna click on my GUI and I'm just gonna go to configure build path. And in configure build path, you can see I have a option module path, and here I can add my project. So I'm just gonna add this parser API model to my GUI and I will apply this. And now you can see everything is working. So now in my combo box I can use this X parser without any problem. Just import, and that's it. I'm done. Okay, let's do a quick setting of this combo in constructor. So first of all, I want to pass some parameter here, and here is a collection, but I don't remember what exactly collection. Let me check. A fix collection, this one, observable list. Yeah, observable list. Okay, let's try to pass observable list. Observable. Yes. And I want this observable list to have the generic X parser. Yes. List. And in constructor I will first of all call the super constructor, and now let's set cell factory for this one. Factory. Okay. And the factory, I want to return a list. No, I want to set the text for this combo. Return new list cell, and on this list cell, let's say I want to this list cell also has to have a generic, and this will be also X parser. And in this list, what do we want? Okay, I want to override protected with update item from cell. No way. From cell, I have to have here update item. Yeah, this one. want to override this one. Set items, set empty. Yeah. Override. Okay. Here we have X parser. And here let's call first of all super update. Oh, come on. Okay, great. Next one, I want to check if my item is null or empty is true. Then set text null. Otherwise, let's take the text from the name of the X parser. Set text item get name. Okay, this is good. Now next I want to set a converter new string converter. Yes, and this string converter I want to also return something nice and toString method. And first of all I want to check if my item is not null. Then return item get name of the parser. Otherwise return null. And yeah, I have to put the generic X parser. Yeah, that's great. So the last thing that I want to do here is to call set on action and just put my method when action properly occur. Do action, and I will send the null value. That's it. So at the moment I think we will stop here, and in the next episode we will continue by implementing the concrete GUI components and build our user interface. So bye bye.